Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section. After that, click on this switcher at the top to activate Bluetooth and tap on Allow in the pop-up. Finally, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Last but not least, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear next to connected device and tapping on Unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!